Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today we are going to start the first lecture of book number 6. Open your book at page number 4. Dear students, this is our first chapter. This is a poem, and the name of the poem is The Seasons. The Seasons. Let's start. Springtime brings fresh flowers, bursting from the earth. Little lambs skip merrily upon the new green turf. Summer comes a knocking at the door. The sun shines very brightly, making people soar. Dear students, in the first stanza, the writer explains that the spring season brings fresh flowers. In the spring season, new, beautiful, fresh flowers are bursting from the earth. The flowers are blossoming in the spring season. The little lambs jump from one foot to the other in this season. In the new green turf, in the new short grass, the lambs jump from one foot to the other in the new green grass. In the second stanza, the writer explains that after spring, the summer season comes. Summer season comes and knocking at the door. It knocks at the doors because in this season the sun shines very brightly, making people soar. Summer is the hottest among the four seasons. In this season, the sun shines very brightly and making people soar. This season make people painful. It is very hot season among the four seasons. Now third stanza. Then along comes autumn, dressed in red and gold. Blustery winds come suddenly, making nighttime cold. Slowly, silently, winter creeps in her icy cloak. Fires are lit in the hearth with fluffy puffs of smoke. In the third stanza, the writer explains that after summer season, the autumn season comes, and it comes dressed in red and gold. In the autumn seasons, the leaves from the trees starting falling down on the ground. In these seasons, the leaves turn into the yellow color. And in this season, the strong winds come suddenly, making nighttime cold. And these strong winds make the nights cold. Slowly, silently, winter creeps in her icy cloak. Fires are lit in the hearth with fluffy puffs of smoke. After autumn, the winter season creeps, and it comes slowly and silently in her icy cloak. Everyone in this season wrapped a loose outer piece of cloth over him. Every person wrapped a loose outer covering of cloth. Cloak means loose outer piece of cloth that a person wrapped. In this season, people lit fire and the fluffy puffs of smoke. In this season, the fluffy puffs of smoke comes out from their chimneys. We see in this season the puffs of smoke come out from the chimneys. Each and every season Allah has made for you and me to marvel at His wonders and praise Him thankfully. Each and every season, spring, summer, autumn, and winter season, Allah has made for you and me. All these four seasons, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made for you and me to marvel at His wonders and praise Him thankfully. Always praise Him thankfully for such beautiful seasons. This is all about this poem. Read this poem 2 or 3 times in order to understand it very well. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.